Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video on how to solve a issue called cralwed, currently not indexed in Google Search Console. So as you can see here, I'm running a programmatic SEO campaign on one of my websites called Podcast to Transcript, which contains a whole bunch of transcripts from different podcasts. And one of the issues is that, as you can see here, it's saying 281 of my pages says issues. And one of the issues is duplicate pages. So some of the pages have, for example, this podcast page, which is 6 Greatest Leaders from Luke Darcy podcast. It has a www and also a URL with no www at the start. So Google's getting confused as to which one to actually index. And so this is actually a problem within my own Vercel or host provider. So I'm using Vercel. If you're using a different hosting provider, then you'll have to figure out how to do what I'm about to do in that certain hosting provider. But essentially what was wrong was that initially what I needed to do is redirect. I needed to redirect. This is what I had initially, and then what I need to change it to is essentially redirect the www to the one without it, and also change this from 307. Make sure this is at 301 moved permanently, redirected to the one without www, and then just hit save. Save here, and then hit save here, and then boom, that should fix the issue. And then what I'll need to do is get Google to recrawl it basically. So I'll just hit this. It's a little bit off screen, but hit this start new validation, and then that should essentially ensure that the Google crawler knows which of these duplicated URLs to select. So that's how you solve that issue, and hopefully by the end I'll have all these pages unaffected and indexed on the Google crawler. Hey guys, I just wanted to add a second part to this video, which was that I was also getting these alternate page with proper canonical tag errors, and it's pretty much related to the same issue. So let's just go in and investigate. So I had 403 pages with this issue. Let's just go to one of them. So what you can do is you can just copy that URL, go into URL inspection, paste that URL, enter it, and this is just what this is gonna do is just test that one page. So we can see what it previously did in terms of what the Google crawler basically ran into. So I ran this test like 2 days ago. So we can see the results of that test 2 days ago. And basically the issue with the canonical error is that in my sitemap I had www dot, the podcast episode. And then my code in the website basically declares the canonical version of that URL without www. So I'll just go to the page itself. So you can see here in the code of the page. Sorry, let me just get my screen cursor up. Yeah, so you can see here in the code of my page, it's saying canonical has no www. So basically, that's a problem. So I need the canonical to also match what Google is crawling. So what's happening, to explain it in short, is Google's going to this www website, but my website, once it goes there, my website's saying actually the canonical version of it is without the www. So it's running into a conflict. So as I said before, I've solved that issue in Vercel, and now what I need to do is just test one of the live URLs to see if the issue is gonna. Just test one of the live URLs to see if more or less what the canonical is going to be. So we'll just run it here now. Just give it a sec. It takes a little bit of time. Yep. So we ran that test. Okay. Yeah. So I mean, unsurprisingly, the canonicals remain the same. But yeah, long story short, needed to change the redirects. And so what I'm going to do now, so you can request indexing for the single page, and that's going to get Google to recall this one URL. But obviously, if you're doing programmatic SEO, you're going to want to make the changes wholesale. So I'm just trying to think. Oh, the other thing you need to do is also resubmit your sitemap, because I guess I kind of messed it up, and my sitemap, the one issue you might run into is your sitemap might be referring to websites with www. It's such a hard thing to say, with the three W's. So I'm just gonna check on my website whether that's the case, because I can't remember what I did when I sort of made the website. So we'll just check quickly. But yeah, long story short, guys, you really want to make sure when you're setting up the programmatic SEO at the start, like I sort of ummed and ahed between having your three W's and not. Just pick no three W's and make sure everything is set to that. Just without the three W's, the websites with three W's redirect to the ones without. So yeah, I can see here. Yeah, everything seems to have no three W's, so that's good. But yeah, long story short, after you've made those changes, guys, you also regenerate your sitemap, and then also resubmit it in the sitemaps. Just resubmit it. So yeah, thanks. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you're looking to build custom software, my agency, Wilt Software, can help. We specialize in developing high quality solutions in 30 days or less at a fraction of the traditional cost. And we achieve this by leveraging cutting edge AI development frameworks. To learn more or to start your project, please visit my website, wiltsoftware.com, or email me directly at my email, which is sales@wiltsoftware.com. Alternatively, I also have my Calendly link in the comments section and also in the description. Thanks again for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.